Ma'am.
Good
Yes, ma'am.
afternoon, Ashi. Welcome to your mock PI. So I'll just introduce you to the panelists. We have Abad sir with us. He's a management expert. He is working as a business head at Pahel Design. He's into this industry from last 12 years. So he'll be the first panelist who'll be taking a mock PI today. Now we have Prashant sir. He's a subject matter expert taking care of the reasoning and the aptitude portion at Pahel. He's a master's in mechanical engineer from VIT Mishra, and he's the second panelist who will be taking a mock PI today. So what do you, Abad, sir?
Yeah, hi Ashi. Thank you, ma'am. Hi Ashi, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How about you?
I'm all right. So Ashi, I would request if you can turn on the horizontal mode. It's coming in the vertical. So you need to be
Uh,
covered maximum portion of your camera, right?
okay. Mm, like this?
Yeah, but it has to be auto rotate is not there.
Yes, sir.
So
One
because
sec.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's fantastic.
Yes, sir.
That's good. So Ashi, would you like to introduce yourself with your family background and who is your hero of your family?
Okay. So first about myself, my name is Ashi Jain, and I'm from the heart of India, Delhi, and which is popularly known for its diverse culture and obviously food, not to mention. And among the locals, Sarojini Nagar is one of the most famous places. Like everyone is planning a trip to Sarojini Nagar whenever they visit Delhi, because they get export rejects at very reasonable prices. So why not go there. And I'm also a literature student currently in my last semester, and I found novels as my escape from the reality, and it really allows me to brainstorm and let all those creativity inside me. I have done three internships actually, and one is a social media marketing internship with a startup Skilling You, and I was also an operational executive there. And I have done a content writing internship with International Women Polytechnic, which is a fashion academic institute which is renowned in the fashion industry. I have worked there for 2 months as a content writer, and have developed interest and all those insight about fashion through that internship. And currently I'm a content editor at CBT Marketing Solutions, and I have handled over 120 interns in my operational executive at Skilling You. And currently I handle a team of 25 content writers at CBD Marketing Solutions. Coming back to my family, my father is a businessman. We have an automobile business. We particularly manufacture wipers, which you must have seen on the windshields of various cars and buses. Every transport uses that. And my mother is a yoga teacher. She is recognized by the government, and she teaches in the parks and local authorities for free. So yeah, my I would say my hero at the home would be my mother, because it is really hard to manage both the sides, like with my father, with my brother, and with me. And coming from a very orthodox family, she has to really, take up all the criticism of she has seen the generation gap, and she has to take both the weights side by side, so neither one is increasing or the other is decreasing. So yeah, that would be all.
So how your graduation helps you to go into the future? I mean, how this is helping you?
Okay, so as an English honors student, I am a content writer, and I have those creative writing skills, and that really, give me an exposure into the doing the internship at IWP really exposed me to the fashion industry, like what all is going on in the fashion industry, what are the nooks and crannies in that, and what you have to take care, what you have to take care when it comes to fashion. All the intricacies were covered there. And the major basics between the fashion industry and English honors is the creative field. They both are not they both are not those very practical knowledge like numbers and all. They don't do that, and they're like more of a brainstorming. You have to think out of the box. You have to, seclude yourself from the normal mobs, and you have to create a trend in respect, not to follow a trend. And because of my managerial skills, because I have handled over, if I combine both the internships, I have handled over 150 interns. So that really, I think, added to my managerial skills. So that is why I've opted for the MFM course.
What is your aim in life?
So as of now, I don't see the long-term goal would be, I would see myself as a businesswoman, as an entrepreneur, and I would be thinking of starting my own brand, but that is way too ahead in time. But for right now, I'm looking for a really good develop my skills and get an insight of fashion industry and know how the things work, and learn from the initial stages, from the first step, from first point, and then gradually move my way forward.
Good. What do you say?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Hello, Asi.
Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, after doing a bachelor's in English honors, why MFM? Why not
Sir,
MBA?
yes, sir. I have just, as I said previously, that I did the internship with IWP, and that really, interested me that how this is what fashion is. This is not only about what the shops are offering us in the malls and all the display. That is not, that is what we are seeing, but there is a lot of thing that goes in the back end. And the fashion has really, from the beginning of the time, it has really intrigued me, and hence I was doing that internship. I have continuously follow fashion bloggers and makeup artists around the globe. I myself, I would say, a good makeup artist, if I am allowed to. So yeah, that is what, and MBA will not give me that. It will give me a generalized knowledge on how companies work and how the managerial skills you have to develop and all the other criterias. But in the MFM, it is directed towards the fashion industry, and that is why I'm more intrigued to do that course.
So, which brand is your favorite?
I don't have any specific brand. Yes, I occasionally shop from Zara and H&M, but I really like to shop from thrift. Like Sarojini Nagar, I just mentioned, I get same Zara top for like 100 rupees. So why don't I go for that? Because the quality is same, so I don't opt for that. And from the initial stages, my mom has always,
So,
we have always went to the local shops.
okay. So, as a manager, when you appoint as a manager for any brand,
So
but
your video has stopped, is it?
it's audible. It's better.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, if you appointed as a manager for any store or any brand, and many persons are looking to go for the local market, then how you attract them to come in your shop or your brand or your brand?
So that is what I'm
When you
expecting to
prefer
learn.
also, when you also prefer as a local market to go to the local market.
So
So how
that
you?
depends on, I am not earning, the income I am generating from my internships are not very much, and I don't like to depend on my family to say that please buy me 3,000 rupees jeans or 5,000 rupees top. I really don't want to spend their expenditure on such things. And as a college going student, I rather spend my money on those clothes and save those money. And I'm coming from a Bania background, so I have the save my money thing. But as a store manager, I would say that we can offer sales as they do already, and when they those who have the pocket and the money, they always go for that. And the sales and this trick really works for many brands. Like H&M always has a sale on their garments, so they trick the people in thinking that, oh, they are getting it on the sale, but they are actually not. So that is basically that. And the marketing strategies really have to be on point while doing the same.
Okay. So you feel any difference between the brand clothes and local market clothes?
Yes, sir. We can always rely on quality when it comes to branded clothes. So that is the major difference. We can, trust the brand when we are even shopping online, but we cannot trust a local seller when it comes to online shopping or something. We have to really dig into the product and whether it is hampered in any way or not, and whether the quality is suffering or not. But where it comes to the brand, the name itself has a reputation and respect to it,
Okay.
related to it. So yeah.
as a content writer, how you help the fashion industry?
So I have really done an in-depth research while I was writing articles for that. That was around 1 year back. So I did research, and that was in the marketing section, because content writing adds into the marketing section to the digital marketing platforms. And because of the pandemic, most of the companies are moving online, and they are preferring more on selling more online, because people are just sitting at home and they cannot go to their stores. So they are more focusing on how their app looks like, and how which clothes should they first display, and what is going to catch a consumer's eye.
Okay, that's it from my side. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, hi Ashi. We have completed now this PI. So, what did you learn from this today's mock?
uh, so I was very nervous, because first two PIs was not very good, and I really requested ma'am to give me this third, because I have my final tomorrow, and I was not say that I was fully prepared, but I was not as nervous as I was in previous one. So that was the major thing that I wanted to get out of myself, that do not fear, it is going to happen. So you have must seen that I'm really nervous even right now, but it was 10 times before this. So yeah, that is what I've controlled here, and how to these were all my thoughts, but to say it in a line, and to say it in front of you, really put all the words into perspective. So yeah, that is what I learned.
It's little try to control on your words right before you throw out, right? It shows you're panic, you're actually nervous, right? So it shouldn't show, right, about your nervousness. You just calm down, relax, and you're saying very good, right? The flow of it should be little slow.
Okay, sir.
Right, and the knowledge which needed the actually from the graduation background, or the things which is that was also asked related to the industry, your internship. The question can be from these things, right? The rest of the things I find good, right? You're okay with your content, you're fine with little bit difference, right? When you say Zara and when you say Saroj Nagar, you just say my choice is like any of the product which I can afford myself, right? Yeah, you like any of the brand, it doesn't matter, right? You can like
Okay.
anything, right? You can choose anywhere. Nobody matters to what matters to you, like how you like it and how you comfortable with the clothes, right?
Okay.
So you just say because I like all my brands are my choices, but what I choose is according to my personality and according to my preferences and according to my affordability, because I'm dependent on myself.
Yes, sir.
So that shows
Yes.
more, and it shows encouragement about the youth also.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
I'll take that point into
That's all. Everything is good. Just don't fear about it. You're doing well, very well. Just calm down, relax, have a glass of water, and do it.
Yes, sir.
Or anything
Thank
would
you so
help
much, sir.
today.
Yes, sir. In the introduction part, when you are introducing yourself, you divert in the Delhi, right?
Yes, sir.
So, so uh, the introduction is about yourself, not the Delhi. So, आप
So,
Delhi में dive. Yeah, yeah.
yes, sir. Please complete.
No, no, you. Yes, yes.
So while we were preparing for the same, Joshita ma'am really said that you have to say something about Delhi. So that's why I said one line about it. But it was not in my introduction before this PI. But I really I have rewritten my introduction again. So I'll exclude it if it is not
So
required.
that central part of heart of the India, that is good. That is the best
Okay.
part. But market something according to me, up to you or Abbas sir
Yeah,
can say.
that's right.
So
Actually, see, when you're asking something, introduce yourself, right? You introduce yourself as the queen of the dreams, the person who loves herself. It this shows your passion, right? See, she
yeah,
is like
because
the passionate girl towards the dreams, right? She's chasing her dreams, finding the things from different era. This is how you need to present yourself. See, it's
panelists want
only
to know
there
you,
things,
not the Delhi at that
right?
point. They want to
That
know
that's
you,
that's makes sense actually, but yeah, that can help you out.
Yes,
right?
sir.
And
Last
your
two
many
minutes,
answers
man,
are
please
too
help you out
long.
to write something. Sorry,
Yes,
sir.
sir. No, 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 sir. Sorry. And
So
your answers
I'm
are too long. Sometimes your answers are too long because you're of the panic. You want to tell everything too long. So please control on that. Already said by Abbas sir. Control your emotions and be in short or okay. Otherwise,
yes.
your face is good, your body language is good, everything is good. So don't get panic. ये मत सोचिए कि I am doing bad. You are doing very good. Okay.
Thank you,
So
sir.
All the best from my side.
Sir,
Yes,
sir.
the content was okay. Shall I add something or subtract? As you mentioned, I will consider those points. But apart from that, because I have it tomorrow and I'm really
no,
nervous
no,
about
to be honest, from my side, I guess Prashant that she's fine. I mean, the content-wise, you're okay. You nothing
Yeah,
have to
content.
worry about it. Just little bit, you can ask Joshita ma'am how I can introduce in a different way also, or how
Yes,
it
sir.
can improvise, right? Rest
Yes,
of the
sir.
things are fine with you.
Okay,
Rest
sir.
otherwise, if
Thanks.
you feel any problem, just be yourself.
Yeah.
Just be
Yes, sir.
yourself. Okay. Just that's the best thing. Be yourself. You will say always good. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
All the best.
Thank you.
All the best. All the
All the
best.
best, Ashi. I hope
Thank
you
you
do
so much.
well.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so
Take
much.
care. You can leave the meeting.